Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to get ready for Easter with this adorable and personalized Easter basket. For this project, all you need is a cloth Easter basket and either some iron-on vinyl or heat transfer vinyl, which is HTV for short. Start out by cutting your HTV to size. If you haven't used HTV before, there are two different sides. The shiny side is the carrier sheet, and the more matte side is the actual vinyl. Make sure you put the shiny side down on the mat and mirror your image in Design Space before you cut out your design. Pop it into your machine and let it work its magic. Use your weeder tool to pull off the background. This basket has a wire rim and can't be folded in half without misshaping it, so I'm going to use the mini press today. I need something flat and rigid inside the basket to push against, so I'm just going to use a Kleenex box here because it's approximately the same size as the inside of my basket. Then I'll lay my heat mat over the box so it doesn't get hot. Now I can just line up the name and grab my mini press. I've preheated it to setting 2. Because this isn't clothing that will need to be washed many times, I don't need to heat the HTV for too long. I will keep it moving so I don't burn the basket, and really just need to keep going until the name is stuck down. After about 20 seconds, lift up the carrier sheet and see if it's stuck on. This project is done and ready for Easter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.